Hello everyone, welcome to GEEKERMAG. In this video, I am going to show you how to make Battle for Dream Island Again or BFDIA in Infinite Craft. But before we move forward, if you find this video useful in any way, please consider subscribing to the channel as this encourages me in creating videos on Infinite Craft. Put water on the empty space and add wind to get wave. Put water on the empty space and add fire to get steam. Combine steam and wave to get surf. Add wave to get surfer. Put earth on the empty space and add wind to get dust. Add wind to get sandstorm. Combine surfer and sandstorm to get sandman. Add surfer to get dream. Put earth on the empty space and add dust to get planet. Add steam to get steampunk. Add earth to get robot. Add planet to get cyborg. Put earth on the empty space and add earth to get mountain. Combine mountain and cyborg to get terminator. Combine terminator and dream to get inception. Add dream to get dreamception. Put water on the empty space and add water to get lake. Put fire on the empty space and add fire to get volcano. Combine volcano and lake to get island. Combine dreamception and island to get dream island. Put earth on the empty space and add fire to get lava. Add water to get stone. Add lava to get obsidian. Add stone to get blade. Add blade to get sword. Put blade on the empty space and add stone to get axe. Combine axe and sword to get battle. Combine dream island and battle to get battle for dream island. Put planet on the empty space and add fire to get sun. Add fire to get solar. Add planet to get system. Add fire to get computer. Combine computer and battle for dream island to get BFDIA. So this is how you can get battle for dream island again or BFDIA in Infinite Craft. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe the channel to get notifications about more similar videos. Thanks for watching.